My people, everybody is connecting the heat in Nigeria as it stands right now. They said the KC, not be KC the popo, they said the guy don't go for the live streaming where they do yesterday. Go to say in no be Biafra, come see the internet don't catch fire. Everybody don't they tell am say that's why they force music to himself, oh. Not like Flavor, and others. We know wetin they do. My people, it don't read. As that one they happen, the Tico don't para. Look things where they happen for inside Nigeria. Come talk say this is the reason why Mazin and the Kali is asking for Biafra. Then they should let the Biafra go if they can't fix Nigeria. My people, I would get information say that the Fulani Herdsmen have approaching Enugu State, the place where they call Nsukka. Things our friend way from Austria will be say in the talk about Biafra will be like say they represent them for inside NATO. The man don't still come aside. Come celebrate with the Biafra government in exile. Come to say may they free Biafrans to go. Nah, I go play the videos. May you watch one after the other before we come back and continue. Obasanjo don't come aside, come call the international community to come to the rescue of Nigeria. So as the star right now is not sure that this present government is going to do anything to save Nigerians. Please watch the full videos before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, here from Biafra Freedom. I say again, freedom for Biafra and the new t-shirts. It's absolutely happening. We are here now to celebrate the first Independence Day of Biafra Republic here. And please, the t-shirts already arrived. I'm very happy. And so the Biafra Republic is on the way. And please, let's do everything we can to make Nigeria X and Biafra free. And that's X Nigeria. We do it now. And please help. This is the way forward. Biafra must be free. The genocide against Christians will be stopped now. And we will free Biafra. Thanks a lot from Vienna. All the best. And that's happy. The new shirts have arrived. Thank you very much. All the best. Freedom for Biafra.
Same thing Nnamdi Kanu has been lamenting all about. Nigeria is not working well. Give us Biafra. It became a big deal. Give us Biafra. Since Nigeria is not working well, because if Nigeria is actually working well and, he's talking about Biafra, it will be as if, he wants division. But at this point, it is not even about Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. Everybody is in this together. And it's not funny. As a matter of fact, I just feel so bad.
Igbo not precisely. In the Igbo not, there is an information reaching to us concerning insecurity. As the bandits are about Igbo not. Everyone on Igbo not, because be very, very security conscious. And I'm the youth never or Danny Hog, because Abokwan also. Bunye Bunyama, Chekoba Alogogi. Anyamu ha laws ebe anyị na-agbaga na-abụrụ be anyị anyị ga-agbapụzibe anyị ka ebu nchọ ka anyị gbaga so ndị Igbo not ama akpọ ndị youth niile n'ebe ahụ join on your security men n'ebe ahụ ma nụọ n'ọgụ anụta na ihe zọpụta nne unu zọpụta nna unu zọpụta obodo unu ọnụ ga-azọ unu ọ bụ ha America so ana m akpọ ndị Igbo not ka ha dị security conscious ma nwoke ma nwaanyị nọ na ya biko Igbo not tete n'ụla enwere Fulani vendors na ala unu ha batago na ala unu as I speak to you. Because I will go one of them on a phone, one of the security men never on a phone, or stand the Fulani, Juke Telimo Huniketa, as I speak. Because the boys are not. To Saran message, go return the boys are not Aka, Darukan Munem, Oka one worker, the founder of IYM, Igbo Youth Movement, Darun, Konyechu, Yazere.
No matter what religion you belong to, no matter where you come from, no matter what profession, we Nigerians are being killed. And our governments seem to be incapable of protecting us. We are part of the world community. If our government cannot do it, we have right to call on the international community to do for us what our government cannot do for us. And for anybody to say because those who are being killed belong to this region, belong to this religion, belong to this tribe, and then others too are being killed, cannot be an acceptable excuse. Before I left government, I know we had capacity to pick up anybody in Nigeria who commits crime anywhere. The capacity that we didn't have then is after we have identified and located such a criminal, we have no capacity to be able to pick him up without moving on land or by air. Now we have capacity. With drones, you can snip them up. You can take them out. Why are we not doing that? Why are we apologizing? Why are we negotiating?
Fulani don't fool military, don't fool uniform, don't fool the military. Now then they give them information. Now then they tell them everything. The force, the whole force in Nigeria, Fulani fully inside. Bandit fully inside. And now they call them repentant. Repentant this one, repentant this one, repentant this one. Who tell you? Who give that order? Say make those guys, those soldiers waiting for that school come out. After 40 minutes, bandits come, carry the whole student, carry the whole school children. Who give the order? Till today we don't know. No person call them, give order, make them live there. Bandits enter, finish their work, they return back. Who be the person we don't know? Now the country where we dey.
Where are you from?
Anambra.
Anambra State. You are from Biafra.
I'm from Anambra State.
Anambra. Because I feel like those
Biafra no be state.
Imo are Biafra people.
We are. I don't know how I want to. You wish you are from Anambra. Where are you from? Oh, boy, all of us are the same. All of us are Igbo.
You say what? You are saying something.
So I was trying to say, we are Igbos.
Igbos. What now brought about the Biafra?
That's our baptism name. I don't know. I don't want to go deep into it because no.
Please, I want to go deep.
You can go. Me, I not be.
No, I want you to go
now
deep.
music I gotta sing.
No.
Fesi Limpopo. Ifele emekwa mo. Okay, makana inwe investment. Maka investment dị na Abuja with Lagos. Ka iji agbazi anyị na Biafra bụ baptism nke eme ya. Nsogbu adịrọ. Ọ kakwu mma na ịgwakwa ya na ịbụrụ onye Igbo. Ka o doo anya na ịbụrụ onye Igbo. Ebe ọ bụzi na Biafra dị iwe apụta ụwa. Bụzi baptism nke eme ya. Kedu eme ya baptism? Pope onya. Which Pope may baptism? Cause John the Baptist may.
My people, you know, say for Bible, they talk say money is the root of all evil. And some people who want to interpret it will tell you that money is the solution, that without money, we are nothing. And this is why the Igbos are where they are today. Remember, say this same thing that happened to the Jewish people all over the world, especially in Germany. So the Jewish people invested a lot aside, you know, and when the time comes, their things were seized, many of their property was destroyed. So when they can't get it enough, some of them go back, and the place you see Israel today was built. The Igbos, we are getting closer to that point. But the question is, are you going to lose your heroes? The people who stand firm without no collecting money before you get to that point. And I'm asking another question to the Igbo people. Where are you taking this money to? Which enjoyment that is in this life more than your freedom? We know each other as people who love to extend their hands, stay with families, but today is no longer happening in Igbo land. Everybody is afraid of who will kill each other. Maybe the other people, they want to buy me with juju, with voodoos, with this. But before, you see families coming together, all those things have gone. So, which enjoyment can you enjoy without freedom? Which enjoyment? This is the question. So I'm telling the Igbos to rethink, and withdraw your step of this money, and fight for your freedom before it's too late. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done his part. He have done his own. He have done his own part. So if you like, hate him. If you like, ask the government to even buy him today. But the history will always remember him. The history will not only remember him for bad, but for good. So you that is pushing money, if you can't access your village again, some tasks have taken over your village tomorrow. I will know where you will go and spend that money. Because this agenda of jihadist Islamization is no backing down agenda of the Fulanis. If it don't happen this year, if it don't happen in the next 5 years, it will happen in the next 6 years. This is one thing every woman have to get in your mind. Leave money and fight for your freedom. When you fight for your freedom, you can build your heaven on earth and enjoy it in peace. I beg make una share this video. Drop your own opinion for inside comment section.